So why did a serious football player go kill somebody? A lot of people, not be only one person, plenty people will kill. Wait, make I explain. So this guy named be Harry. Harry be somebody will be say he know how to play ball very well the time be say dey school. And Harry story start at the age of 20, where we say Harry dey at the age of 20 years old. But we go by the name Orese. Orese be somebody will be say he know how to play ball very well, but everything got change for Orese because in the year 2010, they could finally sign Orese in NFL, very big team, serious team for American, where we say Orese go dey play for them, and a very serious congratulations for Orese by that time. And after what we say, they just sign Orese for this year team, so Orese could really do serious, so he could really do well because you know why he dey really know ball, he dey play the ball well, very well. And even in the year 2012, so they could even win Champions League for that team, so he not still end up. This Champions League episode was people they call carry so Oresi called they do war and you know who end up even Oresi said they call sign Oresi for 40 million US dollar for 4 years contract. You know see end up Oresi still go sign another contract again for another company again. That company should pay Oresi 12.5 million US dollar. Now Oresi come become big boy for the street too. Now Oresi come become celebrity for the area. Now Oresi come really get plenty money, but that one now you no dey even dey worry Orese because you know what the money sef e no even reach Orese to even spend sef, so the money sef na small money. Orese still dey need for a lot of money by that, and you know now wey be say Orese don get money now sef, many things come Orese head o because now Orese come dey misbehave because right now Orese come dey go dey sleep anyhow, e no dey come training again, now e come dey take drug, dey smoke cocaine, dey take a lot of things, even dey come dey even dey hang around with bad boys wey be say dey do stealing and those things. And all those things wey be say Orese dey do, so that one no be Orese main problem o. The main problem wey be say Orese get now be say now Orese come dey think say maybe all those people wey be say dey hang around, those criminal friends, maybe dey come one day dey come bracket am, dey come worry am. So Orese come dey get some thinking and things come dey come Orese head. Now Orese come get the idea say okay now if you dey waka make you dey carry kala dey follow body for normal protection. So one night in 2012, so na I come go out for clubbing wey be say he come go meet one of his friend. That his friend say dey call her Alexandra, na the name be this one. Where the guy come, both of them come go club. As dem reach club now, they come dey do their normal things for clubbing. So as Orese come dey the club inside with his friend, they do their normal jolly, they go where we say some guy just waka come, just use the body, they knack Orese. So Orese drink up pour for a body. Based on now, Orese now be somebody wey say dey whack una, so Orese just vex o, just that small thing o. Now so Orese come vex for this guy man, so where the Orese vex for this guy man wey be say now Orese cause Alexandra, which is Orese friend, cause he say no, Orese don vex o. Now once Alexandra come carry Orese go outside so that make he go calm Orese heart down small. So when they come go outside, so Orese heart come calm down small. But meanwhile, Orese mind not calm down o, he just dey relax, dey wait for the guy. Now so what Orese see dey outside with Alexandra now, once the guy man with his friend just come outside from inside the club inside, when we say Orese just see them, cause say no, this guy they not go ever allow am make it go. Now I could tell Alexandra say make them carry their car, make them follow them, make them know where they go. Now so Orese with Alexandra come carry their car to follow them. As they drive they go now once they cross, and you cross and so Orese just route the kala come outside and once Orese just give the big 5 times what we say Orese come finally kill both of them instantly. What we say Orese see they die finish and Orese they come zip their car, they come go leave them. And this time now police could investigate this matter, but police they not get where they want investigate this matter go because you know why they don't know who killed the person and beside Orese now don't go in team, don't they go to do it things, nobody even know, they don't even forget about the matter safe. So but meanwhile those two guys they all died through like that, just like that. And so this one now Orese not say calm down no, because you know why the next day which is the next year now Orese see pull out again around 2013 where we see Orese see enter that club as usual, see they go to do it things so now after Orese with Alexandra they come go the club finish, after they just jolly finish now they go back house when they drive they go back, Alexandra come get to know say omo he forget his phone for inside the club inside he come tell Orese say how far I forget my phone Orese no just mind am at all. So when they drive, they go now. Alexandra come tell Royce, say, "How far? Make I go back, make I go collect my phone." Now, but Royce tell am say, "No way, we don't come up for them, we don't come up for them, we not dey go back." E be like say they come get some argument for inside the car inside. Wey be say Alexandra come tell Royce say, e be like say he go lake am up, say he go kick two people the other door. So that matter wey be say Royce hear, and they come pain Royce well well. So Royce come really calm down. Royce not gonna do anything. Royce come calm down so that make Alexandra really do what he want do. So Alexandra dey sleep. And now when we say Ores don't get to know see Alexander don't sleep for inside the car now. Ores courage go park the car for quiet place. We say nobody did it. So just bring it. Kala come outside now. So Ores just give Alexandra way. Alexandra just die. ASAP. So Ores go carry Alexandra come up for the car inside. Dump her for ground like that. Leave her. Go leave her like that. So Tango say Ores Alexandra to not still die you. Now Alexandra not to do anything. They call rush and go hospital. When we see finally now Alexandra be like say na one of your eye come blind. This time around now they call dey ask Alexandra say how far who shoot you now? Alexandra now he no gree talk because he know say Orosi himself na bad boy, so he no want make he lick up he leg come outside based on Orosi na big boy for the normal community level. And this time around Orosi too not still want you because you know why. All this is what we see the Orosi they do, so you not just the worry am at all because you know why he be big boy normally. So one night Orosi come go on that racket again. So this time around, so Orosi too no see you because that same year for night where Orosi cause he go a house, he call invite some friends again, call join her for inside with some guests. They call they do jolly for inside house because right now you know they move with Alexandra again, and now he call they do it things with a different friends again. So now Orosi now he really party na this guy. And this guy na come go inside Orosi room inside na Orosi come get to that guy come get to know say Orosi get plenty kala for inside room oh, but nobody know wetin dey really talk for that room inside about that kala wey that guy man see. But wetin go on for that room inside e be like say e worry Orosi well well, so e pain am well well wey be say Orosi come vex. Orosi now and even that guy, that new guy say he know say Orosi na he kill those two boys wey be say they kill the last time, but nobody know, but the guy know. So now Orosi cause he know say the guy man he friend don get to know say he kill those boys the other time. So now Orosi no go allow make this one just pass am by because you know why they go feel link up am. Orosi come think this thing very well because this thing e really pain Orosi well because Orosi know say if he leave this guy make he go like that, oh this guy there he go betray am. So Orosi now come talk say okay, he go plan how he want to kill this guy, which is this new friend. So one night Orosi come go carry a car. As he go carry a car, na meet some of his different friends again. Wey be say Orosi now come carry those two friends. Now because he go carry that guy wey be say that Odu abi how they call am, I don't know the name be that. Orosi come go the guy house, come carry the guy, making four of them. Now Orosi come go one abandoned company wey be say Orosi come go inside industrial area, abandoned industrial area. Wey come dey there. After they come dey there, they come dey smoke and things. Na there Orosi come take bring the kala come outside. After they don smoke finish, so Orosi come bring the kala come outside. Na so Orosi come bring a gun come outside. Orosi come fire this guy man, shoot am till wey be say the guy man come die instantly. And the guy man die finish, they leave the guy body for ground for door. They come enter their car inside. They come go back to their various home. That means right now Orosi now dey feel say now he dey commit murder, say nobody go fit catch am now. Na be Orosi mindset right now. So few days later, some guy wey say he do jog exercise in the morning, wey be say he dey run dey pass the industrial area, wey be say he go waka jam the guy man wey be say they kill for ground, wey be say the guy come poof police for call ASAP. So right now, as this guy man don call police now, so police go come dey do their normal investigation wey police come see some prints for ground, some footstep prints. They come even see say some kpori smell, some kpori so the smoke remain so. They say go throw am for ground too. So police go carry all those things all for proper investigation. After they don carry all these things go DNA test too, after they don finally see DNA test, they come get to know say na Orosi DNA test na appear. So they come Orosi house, they come dey search Orosi house. They search Orosi house whether they go get any evidence. Now so they get plenty evidence wey be say they come just arrest Orosi. Na video be this wey they arrest am for real life. And now be say they investigate the matter. Now they come go Orosi brother in house where they call reach Orosi brother in house. They come they get to know see some car wey be say did where they park for them. That car now it resemble the car we see the CCTV camera for 2012 where we say Orosi go to do that first killing. They cause it add that case join this Orosi new case right now. those two boys wey be say follow Orwesi go do that last killing for that guy, so they go arrest in prison for, they go give them 47 years imprisonment, those two guys. So right now, they go able to tell Orwesi, see that criminal, that killing something wey be say happen for town, to food one Orwesi got to say no be him do am. They got us okay. They got us okay for these two wey be say you do, or three wey be say you do, so no worry. They go also give am life imprisonment. They go give Orwesi life imprisonment. What Orwesi go dey prison for life imprisonment, just 2 years wey be say Orwesi dey prison. Orwesi go kill himself by himself. After Orwesi don die for prison finish, so now Orwesi family go donate his brain give science student for school inside. Wey be say they go do scanning for the brain inside. They go get to know say Orwesi get problem for minor fault for his head brain inside. So now they go say now Orwesi go dey all those kind things wey be say they go on for Orwesi life, so na minor case wey they say they worry Orwesi. So right now Orwesi go finally kill himself for prison. And so the story got the end. This is a true life story. Stay blessed, stay safe, and stay connected. Thank you for watching. Make the matter was all this wey be say dey happen to Orwesi life, so Orwesi sef na still gay o. God, may God help una. One love.